beautiful Katy Trail in Oklahoma City, east side of Oklahoma City. Takes you past some beautiful places, the Oklahoma Railway Museum. It's just really pretty, and it rapidly has become one of my favorite places to ride along the big Grand Boulevard loop that takes you pretty much through the heart of Oklahoma City. So we're not gonna do that whole loop today, but mainly just highlighting the Katy Trail. Let's get into it. I keep seeing these gigantic dandelions. They're huge. Just for comparison, there's my hand. I love this old bridge. Just kind of has a really cool aspect to it. It's just kind of right in the middle of these two sections of just heavily wooded trail. And it's really cool. It's really neat. One of my favorite places here in Oklahoma City. Essentially the end of the line. You can see kind of where the trail ends there. That's Katy Trail. It's on the east kind of edge of Oklahoma City. Great way to get downtown. 20-mile ride today with everything downtown. It's beautiful weather. Still a little overcast, which is nice. And we'll see you around. Take care.